that's really good. Where's it coming from? Oh, God, that's so good. Oh, God. Where's that coming from? It's like melons. Watermelon. I love watermelon. Is it you? Come here. Oh, come here. No? It's not you. Charlie, what is it? No? Oh, Charlie, what is it? Oh, I love watermelons. Oh, where's it? Oh, what is it? Darn it, where's it coming from? What's you? Oh, God, this is going to drive me nuts. Oh, shoot. I hate that. Oh, God. Why can't I figure it out? I'll be darned. Oh my God. It's me. Charlie, I found it. It's me. Oh, I smell like watermelons. Oh, God. I know what it is, too. It's this stuff. Right here. Females foraging for freshness. The watermelon scent. Well, there's other scents, too, but this is one of my favorites. Females foraging for freshness. Oh, my goodness. I'm the one that smells great. Oh, lovely. Oh, God. I love it. Thank you so much.